We thank the workers strong and true, from field to factory, road to town. They lift our world, they never back down. Hands that build and hearts that care make our nation strong and fair. Farmer, teacher, worker too, India shines because of you. Next guy. We stand together, hand in hand, respecting all across our land. Hard work matters, big or small, every worker is proud and tall. So we say with voices bright, thank you for your work and fight. Happy May Day loud and clear, we salute you all with cheer.
Subscribe to our channel Rhyme Lush. Follow us on Facebook page Rhyme Lush. Thank you!